This question they are saying which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory can explain a law of definite proportion. ठीक है. So what is the law of definite proportion? चलो देखते हैं. Now let's say water. So water क्या होता है? H2O, right? You know water as what? H2O. So can I say इसका proportion definite है? If मुझे water form करना है, so I would be needing 2 hydrogen, okay, in the ratio of what? 1 oxygen. So यहाँ पे hydrogen and oxygen का जो ratio है ये कितना है? 2:1 है, right? So these are placed in a ratio of what? 2:1. So yeah, which postulate support this? So you can answer in such a manner. The relative number and the kind of atoms are constant in a given compound. ठीक है. And you can also give some examples for same, like water, carbon dioxide, जो भी आपको like whatever the compound you know, you can like support your answer with the help of same. Clear है? Yes. So you can mention this postulate explain the law of definite proportion. And if you want to, yes, you can support your answer with the help of like whatever the compound you know. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys are clear with the solution. Thank you.